Hello folks, I just wanted to show you, thank God I finally got to this project and got it done. Still a little finishing touches I want to do on it, but for the most part, this part is done. Took me a couple hours to do. Outside of the steel plates, they're 6-inch plates, 3/8 thick. Outside of those costing me $35 on eBay with free shipping. This whole project the rest of it was free. So this whole thing cost me $35 approximately. Used recycled wood, screws I had laying around from previous projects. Seeing that the plates are smaller, just 6 inches, I just used these hooks I had laying around the garage. I put 4 there, and then I put 4 here, or 1 here and 1 down there. The only thing is you just want to make sure these plates swing back. You don't want them stable, because if you hit them straight on, you have a potential of projectiles coming back at you. So you want a little bit of a swing to them so then the projectile hits the ground. I built this 5 feet high down here, cut some 3-inch or 3-foot legs here. Put a little bit of a wider platform there. Then you can kind of set stuff on it, like if you want to shoot some watermelons, cans, whatever. Here, along here, I may take my router and just kind of notch out some holes there so I can set clay pigeons in there, and maybe do the same thing to the top. And you can have a fun little stand here to shoot at. So make sure you're wearing safety glasses. Make sure you're at least 15 or so yards back. That's probably a safe, 15, 20 yards is probably a safe distance. You just want to be careful shooting them. But like I say, if they swing on you, that's a whole lot better. Makes the day go a lot better. So God bless America. God bless the Republic. And take care.